Hey there, join me for a clucking adorable crayon cookie transformation. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So today we're hatching up another cookie from our Krayon Kidz cookie decorating series. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single one. And I have a free hand cutting template on my website, or you can get the STL cutters and decorate along with me. So what are you waiting for? So grab your supplies and let's bring Henry to life. You should have already decorated the crayon, and if you've missed the tutorial on how to do that, that is linked in the description. So grabbing my red royal icing in about a 20-second consistency, I just squeezed out a big dot and then stopped squeezing and dragged it down to a point. And then I'm using my scribe to settle that icing down further, and then I let that dry for about 15 minutes before coming back in and squeezing in my final row of red icing. And then I'm going to move down to the wings, and I'm going to outline and flood those in with my white royal icing. This is just a placeholder. We're going to go over these again later. So just go ahead and flood in a little bit of icing here, and then use your scribe to settle it down as needed, because we don't want any big points sticking up, because again, we're going to flood over the top of this again later. And then let that dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. And once it's set up, you can come back in and outline and flood in the rest of the chicken's face. Go right over the drawings that we made when we transferred our design, and just flood in the entire face and use your scribe to settle that icing down. And once you finish smoothing the icing out and popping in the air bubbles, go ahead and set this cookie aside to dry for another 15 to 20 minutes. And as I said, we were going to come back in and pipe over the wings again. So just grab your white royal icing and go right over the top of those wings. And we're just going to give them another layer of icing. So I'm going to start by just outlining the wings, and I'm going to go right over the crayon a little bit. I want these wings to be extra puffy, so I'm going to let that outline set up for a minute so that my icing doesn't overflow. And I'll come down here and grab my red royal icing again and make a ball, and then stop squeezing and drag that icing up to create the waddle for the chicken. And then we can go in and go ahead and flood in those wings and use your scribe to settle that icing down. We don't want any craters to ruffle the feathers of our cute chicken. And by the time the wings are flooded and you've settled the icing down and made it smooth, the waddle should be dry enough that you can go ahead and pipe the beak right over the top of it. So I'm using a 15-second royal icing again, and I'm just going to pipe a triangle and then use my scribe to further shape the triangle and smooth it out. And then grabbing my black royal icing, I'm just going to make two little ovals for eyes, and then make those eyes a little smoother and shape them a little bit bigger with my scribe. Then I set the cookie aside to dry completely before coming back in with my edible marker and writing the name right down on the crayon. And then I also gave him some little rosy cheeks using some luster dust, and all of the products I used are listed in the description. And that's it. Henry has hatched, and he's extra adorable. Be sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the tutorials in the Krayon Kidz series. And if you have a friend that's interested in cookie decorating or would enjoy this, please be sure to share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.